Hey guys, so it's Sydney, and today I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys. So basically, it's a Monday. It's 4:50 on Monday, November 5th. It's my friend Paige's birthday. Cute. It's my friend Paige's birthday. We're going to the Cheesecake Factory, and I'm gonna vlog it. So yeah. Ew. I'm wearing this shirt. I wore this in my last video. I'm wearing these jeans from American Eagle, and then these. Oh God. These. Can you see? I'm wearing these platforms from Belk. Ooh. Sorry, Mom. I'm listening to like my summer playlist right now. If you wanna go follow me on Spotify, my username is Squidney624. So yeah, you should definitely go follow me. But I'm listening to all my summer songs, and it's making me really sad. So yeah. You guys should see the setup I have right now. It's literally like amazing. But I'm just gonna touch up some things.
My soul to keep. Hope's not too late for me.
I keep looking there. Only more once I wasted my cash. Just kidding, they're not Gucci. Hey guys, I'm with. Oh my gosh, that car just literally blinded me. I'm with Paige now, and it's her birthday. So we're on the way to the Cheesecake Factory. And we'll be there in approximately, wait for it, 14 minutes. Okay, go. Ooh. Factory as I get run over by a car. Birthday girl.
Too dark?
No, it's fine.
Let's get this green. Let's get this green.
Guys, we got the bread. And we already ordered lasagna. And our server is really cute. And I'm gonna leave my number on the receipt. So yeah. And he's gonna follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. And yeah, we're gonna go on our date. Our first date is gonna be at Cheesecake Factory. Paige, how was the dinner? It doesn't focus. Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot to film our meal. But I'll film the cheesecake. Okay guys, so they wrote happy birthday for Paige. Okay, Paige, take your first bite. Okay, we got the taquito cheesecake. It's good? I didn't know. Hey guys, this is our aftermath of our cheesecake. And now we're gonna go shopping. Paige is literally flashing her money.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, the server, Paige, I think I might have to put my Snapchat. Paige wants me to put my Snapchat on the receipt.
I'll give you a pen.
Wait, I can't see it. Hey guys, so we just got out, and we weren't able to leave our Snapchats, or my Snapchat.
Just hers. I'm taking.
But are you Gigi Hadid? Gigi Hadid?
Yeah. We need to come back.
We spotted the Christmas tree. Oh, this is really shaky. Paige went to all these stores because she's bougie.
Yeah. See all my bags?
Yeah, they're just like, they're there, but you can't see them. And now we're going to Lululemon over here. Yeah, I'll get some model clips, cause yeah. Paige, what are you thinking? Ooh.
spend $100.
That lighting. But Paige, you literally like work so hard. You need to treat yourself. Yes.
No?
Yes. We came to Urban Outfitters and now we're shopping and someone's looking at me. That's so awkward. Okay guys, Paige is gonna open her gift right now because we just got out of the mall. We should do like a songs we're listening to right now. Have you ever watched those like October playlists?
Ooh.
Or, no, it's November. It's November 5th, Paige's birthday.
I was like, yeah. Whatever you want. You're the DJ.
I'll play it. I'll just turn it on now for tonight. Okay, go. Okay, wait, there's a card. Oh, wait, let me get the card. Okay. This card, I thought it was so aesthetic. It's so like pleasing. No, but like it's meant to be ripped. Isn't that pretty? It's pretty. It's pretty.
Yeah, it's alright.
Paige, you can't do that. You're scaring me. Oh God!
Ooh. Trash.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So sweet. I nudge you.
We should try to make as many as those as we can. Trash!
Let's try and make it quick.
Okay. That's what she said!
That was the point.
I didn't even get it. I literally, like, that took me forever. Wait, what was that? That's
Oh, donuts!
Yeah, I saw those and I was like, I got a It's so much.
This is big.
That's what she said?
My face hurts from smiling. Wow, you did not need to do all that.
Are you gonna take it out?
Please, no! 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 No!
You're gonna choke on your own spit.
Wait, Paige, end it out.
Are you finished?
50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. Can't go 50-50 with no hope. It's a birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch.
It's her birthday!
We're gonna die, guys.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna die. We think like aliens are taking over the planet. Like, why is it all orange?
Maybe like the wait,
I don't know. I think it's the lights. Next, oh, I love this song.
No, now's my time. Now's my time.
The daddy money run.
Everybody rocking me because I'm up now. No bust now. Used to move when she shot now. I'm walking with a bust down. Pull up and I'm flooded with a iced out watch. Whip it look like butter, baby. Peek and drop. Peek and drop. Put that phone in sun drop. Stab my knots. Count a lot. Saw a lot. Got them rocks. Diamond rocks. Whip the pot.